Let me ask you a question. Do you want to get more out of Excel? What if you could use the advanced features and functions? Imagine if you could get Excel to work for you. What could you accomplish? What if people saw you as the Excel expert? Could you make using Excel a lot easier? Well, that's why I created this course on Microsoft Excel, Go from Intermediate to Expert. Learn all about the advanced features, present data visually, expand your analysis, and learn lots of formulas. Stop wasting your time. Reduce manual processes. Free up your time so you can concentrate on other tasks. Analyze data from various sources. Create pivot tables and pivot charts. Formulas are translated into 15 different languages. And this course supports objectives in the official Microsoft exams. There's plenty of practice activities along the way to ensure that you are learning. Also, download the course onto your iPhone, iPad or Android device so you can learn on the move. And this course is backed by Udemy's 100% money back guarantee. Hey, if you don't like it, return it. So what have you got to lose? Let's start learning.